So just give you a few more minutes for people to get onto the session. And in this session, we are going to be talking about branding, and the branding we're going to be using to link up across to your social media channels. And then in the next session, I'm going to start building my social media channels. So let's give you a few minutes to get on the live call. And we got Steve in the room. Hello, Steve. John. Tim. We got Lynn. And Sarah. So we've got a few people watching already. So hello, guys. Glad you're tuning in onto our channels. And like I said, I'll just give you a few more moments to get in. So far on the build, what we've done, we've installed a full gardening site already. And for those that need remembering or reminding, it's tree-garden.co.uk. And I've done the build in my local area, and this is now ready to roll. These are ready built websites with all the content on with DFY Magic Themes. And anyone who hasn't got a theme, go and have a look at dfymagicthemes.com. We've also got need a website like this page, and the idea of this is that people can come in and they can fill this out and it gets sent across to your admin email on WordPress. Okay, so we've had long enough, so I'm going to go into the branding now of my site. So I know I'm a tree and garden type company, and now I want to come in and design something around that sort of idea. So we're going to launch the app, and this is the design bundle. There's a special deal inside the member area of DFY Magic Themes, and I'll give everyone a link near the end on the videos. So I'm coming to the logo designer, and I'm going to click plus, and I'm going to put in here tree garden Crewkern, and do create logo. And we get started. Select a category. So let's have a look now and see if they've got something within my area already. So we've got businesses, education, food, retail, gift, government, health, home and garden. There we go. And we will add a slogan. So for an example, something like that maybe. Let's see how that works out. Next, I want to pick my color. Well, this site at the moment is green, and that's what I'm going to stick with. So let's look for a nice, possibly that one. Let's have a look up and down. Oh, actually, that's quite nice. Let's pick that one. And we click continue. And boom, tree garden Crewkern. Now, this here, I'm not happy with entirely because of the way the logo is. So what I can do is change it to a capital, which I think will look a lot better. What's great about this system is we can supply this as a service to our customers. So if they haven't got a logo made, this logo maker is just so easy to use. We'll play around with some of these different features. No, I don't like that one. Let's try this instead. That's quite nice. I think that's quite nice. And the spacing's good, and we're happy with that. So I'm happy with that as it is. We've got a logo. Let's look at symbols and see how. Replace the icon. Let's search for an icon. We've got a sort of a house with a tree, maybe. Let's look for anything garden. So we have a watering can, a man with a spade. People dig in. See if there's anything I really like in here today. Fancy little snail. Let's try that and see what happens. There we go. Got a spade. So I'm happy now with my logo and how it is and the design. We can obviously, you can change things around a bit. We can do that. So that's on the end. We'll have it above, have it there, have it to the side. I like it there. Spacing size. Let's just see what happens when that's the icon size. So you can have a little play around with it accordingly. What we got, container. So we'd have a border if we want. It's quite fancy. Let's have a look and see what we can see if there's anything I really like the look of. Probably not on this one. No, that's all right. Let's see what that looks like. Maybe. That's that one. Or we can turn the border off. Let's have a look, see what you think. I think we'll leave it off. I'm going to click save. And I click save just to make sure it's saved. And I'm going to download my logo. And we're going to save it as tree garden logo. And click save. That's my logo done. So now we can come back to the design bundle and dashboard. And I want to now create myself a sort of graphic background image. So we come into the graphic designer. Create a project. Just to make sure, I'll put it in capitals as well. Create. Click plus. Okay, so let's create from template. And this one down here will do. So first of all, I want to replace this image here. So we click on layers and image, and I'm going to bin it. I'm now going to go and look for trees, whatever image you want to use. That one's quite nice. Click on it, get it to where you want it, make it big enough. And then what you need to do is grab this, move it down for a minute, and move it back up. And what you should do once you lined it up, there we go. So you have to fiddle around a little bit, move it up and down. But then we get back to the point where we've got the logo now, and the logo goes here. So we're going to upload the logo, and I'm going to grab our logo that's open up for no reason at all. Let's try that again. Okay. Let's select an image a minute. And we can bring that down to there. Let's do this a minute. That text there, so let's delete that. And we've got that lined up roughly there. We can put cool. Free quote. This button here I don't need. So I'm going to hit that and get rid of it. And the same with this text. I don't need that, so we'll delete that. And then we want in here tree-garden.co.uk, and then let's have a look and see if we want to add more text. So let's hit this here. I'll grab that if I can. There we go. You obviously put your phone number here. and line it up, and we'll do text color a bit brighter, I think. There we go. So now I'm going to line this all up. And there we go. So we've got a logo, we've got call it for a free quote, phone number, and website. And then this is going to go across all of my social media channels. And we can just click now, make sure we're happy with it all. And then up here in the top corner, once you've hidden the layers, you click save. Save it as free. Oh. Rather than save image. Now we can export it if we want. But I won't do that just yet because I need to spend a bit more time on doing the design. So if you want this offer, you can head to DFY Magic Themes.com. /design bundle, and in here we've got the options and also the pricing. There are currently a few deals. This one here is annually, this one here is monthly, and this one here is lifetime. And if you're on the inner circle, stay on a wee bit longer because we're going to show you something extra special with this. But that's really how we do our branding. You can use other products. You're quite happy to use other products. And in the next training session, I'm going to start applying all of my designs onto the social media channels. And I'll also have a phone number set up, which I can use. So if you're on the inner circle, switch over now. If you're not, guys, and you want to join, it's DFY Magic Themes /live #4 letter U.